Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix your following accounts to quickly triangulator. This kind of error occur when you follow accounts more than enough and you follow the accounts very quickly. So first of all, without wasting any time, let's go to the solution. First of all, you have to close that and open the TikTok. And after opening the TikTok, what you have to do is you have to click on profile. After that, you have to click on three lines. In three lines, you have to click on settings and privacy. In settings and privacy, you have to scroll down and you have to click on report a problem. After clicking on report a problem, you have to search for the topics you are facing the problem. After a few minutes, few seconds, the topics will appear and you have to select follow, likes and comments topic because you are having the error of follow. So here is the error, which is as following too fast. You have to click on that. After you click on that, then they will tell you what is the problem you're having, which is as you are following accounts too quickly. You may receive an alert because your accounts are following too many accounts within 24 hours. If the problem is still there, you have to click on no and you have to click on need more help. After that, what you have to do is you have to provide a description of the problem to TikTok team. Here I will paste that description which as I have already written. So here you can explain as hello TikTok team, I am facing the problem of your following too quickly. Kindly solve this problem for me as soon as possible. Or you can also attach the screenshot of the problem and submit to the TikTok team, and within a few hours TikTok will reply to you for that problem and solve that problem for you as soon as possible. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.